Marketing for doctors. Is your medical practice findable? In this video, I will explain to you why being the best kept secret around town is hurting you. Hi, I'm Kerry Watson, and I help medical practice owners majestically stand out against their counterparts. In a moment, I will explain to you how being a great communicator like Steve Jobs can have people lining up around a block just for you. Let's get into it.
For too long, real doctors and experts like yourself are the best kept secret around town. Even if your potential patients can find you, their first subconscious thought is he good? Can I trust him? Since there are restrictions in advertising for certain types of businesses, including medicine, writing a book solves this problem as long as you're not causing harm. You are free to write and promote your book, which sells your services incognito. Another point that my mentor and coach, Dr. Myron Golden, always drill in my head is to make myself findable, be prolific, be everywhere, be profound, so good they can't ignore you. Niche down inside your specialty. Let's say you are a GP and you want to encourage younger male to not be afraid of getting regular checkup. You can write a book on the reasons why they should in an engaging way. Then host or join a podcast that have male audiences and get the word out. Write blogs, do vlogs, speak at corporate events, etc. Your book could be the catalyst and an instant authority that you would need to do these events. Going back to one of the first videos about the 4 levels of value, where I mentioned that if you can start operating on the communication level, you can exponentially grow not only your practice, but also your money. Comment down below if your potential patients can find your content online. I'm creating more videos like this, so please subscribe for more. Please visit www.authorsell.com/medical marketing or scan the QR code for a quicker access. In our next video, I'll talk about marketing for now and the future.